A key method of customizing your availability in Appointlet involves the feature we refer to as meeting frequency. This is not to be confused with meeting length or duration. These are separate features that operate independently of one another, however they share a unique relationship. Every meeting type has its own frequency setting. Click on a meeting type to open the editor, and then select the Advanced menu. The frequency of start time setting here determines the interval at which your time slots are listed on your scheduling page. By default, this will match your meeting length, located here in the General tab. In this example, this meeting type has a length of 2 hours. When we preview the scheduling page, you'll see the time slots are separated by 2-hour intervals. However, if we return to the Advanced menu and set a custom frequency of, say, 30 minutes, and then return to the scheduling page, time slots are now separated by 30-minute intervals. Keep in mind this is still a 2-hour meeting, so if we were to select a meeting that begins at 12:30 p.m., it will still last 2 hours, ending at 2:30 p.m. Meeting frequency can be powerful, especially if you need to take breaks between your meetings. To do this, simply set your frequency to a greater duration than your meeting length. For example, if I set the meeting length to 30 minutes, and then assign a frequency of 2 hours. This means that when a client visits the scheduling page, they'll see time slots listed every 2 hours, but these will only be 30-minute meetings, leaving an hour and a half between every meeting. This gives you and your clients plenty of flexibility, whether you need to schedule on the hour, every half hour, or anything in between. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more, feel free to reach out to the Appointlet support team, visit our knowledge base, or check out our YouTube channel for more information.